How to add virtual account in HDFC Bank. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today in this video we will be guiding you on that, so let's just get started. In order to do so, you may follow up this step. First of all, log in into HDFC net banking account on one of your browsers or even the application. After that, you can navigate to the funds transfer section on your screen. Locate that option up on your screen, and once you locate it up, you can locate up the option of select request and then add a beneficiary onto that section. Once you do that, choose ECMS virtual account as the beneficiary type, and once you are there, you can enter the virtual account number you want to add, and then you can provide other required details such as the beneficiary name and the IFSC code. Once you do that, you can click on submit and initiate the addition process. Follow up the process once that is completed, and then you can, upon the successful addition, you will be receiving an alert on your registered email and your mobile number, and that is how you do it. So you may follow up this method in order to add virtual account in your HDFC Bank account as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.